In this video, I'll be demonstrating the benefits of using our Limescale and detergent remover. For use in your washing machine, take one sachet and pour it into the dispenser drawer. You must only use it on an empty intensive wash cycle at a high temperature, and you only need use it once a month. Once the cycle has finished, you'll be left with a clean and protected machine. This is a typical heater element after 2 years of use compared to a new one. The white calcium buildup that can be seen on the heater can reduce the performance of your appliance and may lead to an appliance breakdown. To best demonstrate the effectiveness of our Limescale detergent remover, I have placed the element in boiling water and added 1 sachet. The calcium buildup immediately starts to lift, and after only 15 minutes, the element is restored. For use in washing machines and dishwashers, 12 individual sachets removes Limescale, removes bacteria, hygienically cleans, available online now.